Hi, and welcome to Need2Know. What if we tell you that there is an easy, inexpensive, and low-risk way to start making money online? One that doesn't require any prior knowledge or experience. If it sounds too good to be true, it's not. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a low-hassle way to start your online venture, and it can help you earn passive income that you can use to supplement your existing revenue or even become your primary source of income. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, influencer, or just an ordinary person looking to make some extra money online, affiliate marketing can provide you the opportunity to do so. But if you're one of those people who never bother to learn it or are too intimidated to start and think of it as a complex and time-consuming process, it's time to change that because you, my friend, are missing out on the opportunity of a lifetime. That's why today's video is all about why you need to start affiliate marketing now. Before we reveal all the information, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and smash the bell icon to stay up to date with all our content. With that said, let's begin. Well, before we dive into the details, let me give you a basic overview of what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based online marketing where you earn commissions for referring potential customers to other websites and services. In this case, you get paid when people purchase something from that website through your referral link. The best part about affiliate marketing is that it's easy to get started. All you need is a website or social media platform and some basic knowledge about how the process works. As long as you have a good understanding of your target audience, you can start promoting products from other websites almost immediately. If that didn't convince you yet, let's look at a few of the reasons why you need to start affiliate marketing right now. Reason 1, passive income. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is that it can generate a steady stream of passive income. You don't have to be constantly working on your website or spending hours trying to promote products. All you need to do is post your referral link in the right places and let the money roll in. Let's say you are promoting a product that pays 10% commission on each sale. If you get 100 customers to buy the product, you'll be making $1,000 passively every month. Reason 2, low barrier to entry. Unlike other forms of online marketing, affiliate marketing requires minimal upfront investment. You don't need any special skills or knowledge. All you need is a website or social media account and an understanding of your target audience. Plus, most programs are free to join and require no paid advertising budget. The idea here is that you can start earning commissions right away without any big investments or huge risks. The only investment you need to make is in yourself and your time. Reason 3, flexible schedule. As we mentioned before, affiliate marketing requires very little of your time and effort once you get things going. You can work on other projects while still generating passive income with affiliate marketing. That means you don't have to dedicate all your time and energy to this one endeavor. You can work on other things in your spare time. Isn't it amazing that you can make money while sleeping? We are not even kidding. What you can do is set up your website or social media accounts, put out some content, and then relax. Isn't this what we all aim for? Reason 4, scalability. Now you might be thinking that $1,000 a month is not enough to give up your day job, and you're absolutely right. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that it's highly scalable. Once you start getting more traffic to your website or social media page, you can start generating higher commissions for more sales. You can also start promoting more products and services from other companies, which will increase your overall earnings. You can even create your own products and start promoting them as an affiliate, allowing you to have full control over pricing and commissions. Not even to mention, you can start your own affiliate program and partner with other affiliates to grow your business even more. You can see where this is going, right? Reason 5, low risk. Unlike other forms of online marketing, affiliate marketing carries relatively low risk. You don't have to worry about investing in inventory or paying for expensive advertising campaigns. All you need to do is sign up for an affiliate program and start promoting its products. Since you're not investing any money up front, you can test out different programs to see which ones offer the best rewards without any risk or loss. Plus, even if something doesn't work out as planned, you won't lose any money in the process. That's the beauty of this business: low risk and big reward. Reason 6, access to big brands. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is that you can partner with some big brands and have access to their products. This means you can start promoting high-quality products and services from well-known companies and earn commissions on each sale. Plus, the best affiliate programs will provide you with all the tools and resources you need to succeed. This includes access to banners, promotional materials, tracking tools, and much more. You could easily become a brand ambassador for some of the biggest companies in the world. You just need the right strategy and some hard work. Reason 7, build relationships. Lastly, affiliate marketing also allows you to build relationships with your customers. You'll be able to interact with them on a personal level, helping you better understand their needs and wants. This will not only help you build trust, but also give you a better understanding of how to target the right people with your offers. Not only the customers, but you can also build relationships with the brands and companies that you're working with. By building strong relationships, you can even negotiate better commissions or have access to exclusive deals and offers. Ultimately, you'll be building a network of people and businesses that will surely come in handy when you need it, especially when it comes to scaling your business. So I'm pretty sure that you can now see why you need to start affiliate marketing right now. The benefits are clear and undeniable. The low risk, access to big brands, scalability, and the ability to build relationships make it an ideal business model for anyone looking to earn some extra money online. And what's even better is you can start with just a website or social media accounts and grow from there. So what are you waiting for? Start your affiliate marketing journey and start making money now. Best of luck. Do come back and let us know in the comments how you got on. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with everything you need to know. Thanks for watching. Congrats on taking control of your personal finances. See you in the next video.